Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shukri bin Alias. I'm from group CSC 425 3A4. So our group need to do test number 6, which is BMI calculator. Our purpose of this BMI calculator is to calculate the worker of supermarket BMI based on their age, weight, height, gender. So after we calculate all of that, we will sort them to category A, B, C, and D. For category C, they need to retire at the age of 55, and the others classes will be retire at age of 60. Okay, so let's get through it. Firstly, we will go look at the header. In our coding, we use two header. The first one is hashtag include iOS stream, and the second one is hashtag include CMath. For the iOS stream, we use it for output and input process, which CMath we need to use it for calculation, BMI calculation, because we use power, which is our formula use weight over h power of 2. So second thing is we using name std. Using name std is for just for the standard. And okay, so the first one, let's see our function. This is our function. This is our first function. In our function, we have wh and double h and double w and integer a. In our function, we have first is formula, which is BMI equals to weight over height power of 2. And then in the second thing in our function, we have nested selection. Selection we use is if. First, if the BMI after the user enter the weight and height and their age, the function will calculate their BMI. If their BMI is greater than 30, it will go then the nested selection will happen, which is if age under 40, the code will be A, and the output will be MP code is A, retire at age what, and it will display the BMI of that person. And the second one is if the age is greater or equals to 40, the CR will be code B and retire at the age of 60, and it will display the BMI of that person. Okay, then if the BMI is lower than 30, age lower than 40, the MP code is A and retire at the same as at the age of 60, and it will display the BMI. And for the age over 40 or equals to 40, the MP code is B and retire at the age of 60, and it will display the BMI code also. Okay, this is second function. This one is for female. The first one is for male. So just the same as before, it has the formula to calculate BMI, then selection, which is BMI greater than 30 or less than 30. Then age, if it's age less than 40, it will retire at the age of 60. Categorized will be B, and if over than 40, the class is C, and the retire age is 55. And the BMI is displayed. Okay, so it's just the same as before. Okay, then we go through to the integer main, our main function. First, we have here declaration, which is char redo. Then we have loops, repetition, which this we use do. First declaration, staff name is string, staff ID and age is integer, gender is char, and weight, height and BMI is float. Okay, as you can see here, we will see out the name of the hypermarket, supermarket. Then we have the table of BMI, the category. Then we give the option for the user to choose whether the user is male or female. If the user is male, it will ask all the question. First one is the name of the staff, the staff ID, the height, the weight, and the age. Okay, then because of the gender is M, we use the function M, our first function. So the weight, height, and age will be the function. We will recall the first function. The weight will become W, the height will become H, and the age will become A. Okay, then the program will ask the user, would you like to make another calculation, yes or no? If the person click yes, the loops will repeat it. But if it say n, it will go, the loops will be stopped. Okay, that's it. And then the same is if the username put the F as a gender female, it will ask the same thing, which is staff name, staff ID, the head, the weight, and the age. But here the function that we call is second function, which is female. Then same as before, calculation. Would you like to make another calculation? If yes, it will repeat the loops. If no, it will just stop there. And that's all for our coding.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia Najwa binti Muhammad Yusof from Group 6, and I will explain more about the flowchart that has been done based on the task given. As we know, flowchart is a graphical representation of computer program in relation to its sequence of function. Basically, in this flowchart, we have three functions that are BMI calculate M, BMI calculate F, and main function. As we can see, after call function BMI calculate M, we need to calculate BMI before it goes to if selection. At here, program will select either BMI is more than or less equal to 30, followed by input A to print staff MP code, retire age, and BMI. This pattern of flowchart will be same goes to the call function BMI calculate F. As for the main function, we will input the gender, followed by if selection statement. If the gender equals to M, we need to input the staff name, staff ID, height, weight, and age of the staff. After that, we will call the function of BMI calculate M and input the redo. This will be same to the gender of equal to F. Lastly, the looping will execute if we put any alphabet other than Y. That's all for the explanation of flowchart from me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azashikira binti Abdul Karim, and I am from Group 6, which is we need to do the BMI calculator for supermarket worker. So based on the coding that my group partner had explained before, here is the pseudocode that we have created. So I will explain first about what is pseudocode. Pseudocode is a way to interpret coding in a more simple and easy for people to understand. So now the pseudocode begin with do, then the user need to input their gender, which is there are two categories of gender, which is M for male and F for female. When the user input, let's say M, the system will call the function BMI cal M, And then the user need to input other data such as their staff name, staff ID, height, weight and age. Then the data, height and weight will determine the BMI based on the formula BMI equal to weight over height power of 2. After it calculated BMI, and then it undergoes the selection if the system which categorize them based on their age. And then from there, the program will display their MP code, what age they should retire and show their BMI that had been calculated. Same thing will happen if the user insert the gender F, but it will call function BMI cal F. Let's say here, if it female and BMI is greater than 30 and age is lower than 40, it will retire at age 60. After that, the loop will be begin and as whether the user want to continue or not. If the code redo is Y or Y, then the next calculation will be proceed and the same will be asked for again.